Well, we've got breaking news coming in here in India 2014, this time featuring around Ramdev, who's been raising the issue of black money, who was caught on the wrong foot in Alwar. In fact, just take a look at how he asked BJP candidate Mahan Chandanath to refrain from speaking when the microphones are on. Let's listen in.
पेट्रोल मार लिया वो तो दिख रहा काम बढ़िया अच्छा एक किसी में कहीं से है पैसे लाने में बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है हमारे पकड़े नहीं गए मत करो बड़े हो क्या
Well, Rakesh is on the phone line with us. Rakesh, it's almost very amusing to see their yoga guru Ramdev come out and trying to coach the BJP candidates, saying that you shouldn't talk about all this when the microphones are on. What is this kind of coaching? What an embarrassing position really for the yoga guru to find himself in.
Well, yes, and if you notice, the moment Ramdev told the BJP candidate that the mics are on and we should not talk about money here, look at this kind of smile that he made towards the reporters present there. He realized that he had committed a faux pas and this might cause him a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
But both of them did realize that actually the microphones were on and the entire conversation was caught on camera. And when after this conversation, the reporters asked both of them about this conversation, both of them feigned ignorance and said that, well, nothing of that sort happened. And maybe there was some miscommunication. But
Sure.
we can clearly hear that...
Yeah. Well, Rakesh is still with us on the phone line. Rakesh, that entire point that we were making, you know, it's very amusing to see the yoga guru Ramdev come out and try to warn the BJP candidate to stop speaking when the microphones are on. Clearly goes on to show also to you that he's got a lot to hide.
Yes, that's right. And what makes this very interesting and more, interesting is the fact that it is Baba Ramdev who's been campaigning all through the country for the last couple of months and saying that, the black money should be brought back, and he's been raising the black money bogey. And now when a BJP candidate talks about the black money to him, says that it's becoming difficult to transport money from here and there during the elections, and our money has been caught more than once. It is Baba Ramdev who doesn't tell him, that it is wrong to deal in black money, but he only tells him that don't talk about money when the microphones are on. So this clearly...
Yeah, and that's so clearly visible in that footage. Yeah, that's so clearly visible in the footage, Rakesh. Afraid we'll just have to leave it there. More reactions are coming in and we're getting our viewers those reactions. Let's listen and also once again to this bite.
करी थी आपने मंच पे आपके साथ भाजपा प्रत्याशी थे।
हाँ तो ठीक है।
मंच पे वो कहते हैं पैसों का लेन देन के लेकर बात कर रही थी, बड़ी परेशानी हो रही है पैसों के लेन देन की, वो क्या बात?
ना कोई बात नहीं।
बातचीत
कोई नहीं ना।
वो कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड है।
कोई नहीं।
पैसों की बातचीत हो रही है।
बाबा रामदेव और आपके बीच कुछ वार्तालाप था जो मीडिया के बीच आया है पैसे को लेकर के, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
ये आप लोगों की कल्पना होगी, मैं तो आपसे ही सुन रहा हूँ। ये
आप ही के रिकॉर्डेड है?
ना
चल रही थी
कोई
पैसे को लेकर समस्या आपको?
कोई रिकॉर्डेड नहीं है, मैं तो आपसे सुन रहा हूँ और ये आपकी कल्पना होगी।
मंच पे आपने कहा था पैसों की समस्या आ रही है।
ना अपना ना कोई ये सब आपकी वो अपनी मनगढ़ंत बात है।